Did you know the average traveler packs at least 4 electronic devices for a trip? Yup, we're talking phones, tablets, cameras, you name it. But fear not, because in today's video, we're about to trim that down to the absolute must-haves. So let's get started. Number 1. Skyroam Solus X. Alright, tech-savvy explorers, we're presenting a game changer. This bad boy isn't just a Wi-Fi hotspot, it's your ticket to staying connected globally without the SIM card hassle. With up to 10 devices hitching a ride on its 4G LTE magic, built-in VPN for secure browsing, and even a remote camera feature, it's like having a Wi-Fi hero in your pocket. Total travel tech essential for the ultimate connectivity on the go. Number 2. Insta360 Go 2. Meet the Pocket Powerhouse Go 2, the ultimate action cam sidekick for all you adventure junkies out there. It's teeny but fierce, weighing just an ounce, yet packing a punch with 1440p video quality. This thing's a champ. It's waterproof, rugged, and can hang on at 13 feet deep. Plus, the magic? It's like a Swiss Army knife. It's your cam, charger, remote, and tripod all in one. Total travel tech essential for epic steady shots on the move. Number 3. Zendur Super Tank Pro. A power beast! With a massive 26,800 mAh capacity and lightning-fast 100-watt charging, it's like having a portable charging station in your backpack. Feel the power with 4 USB-C and 1 USB-A ports, juicing up 4 devices at warp speed. Oh, and that smart OLED screen, it's like having a power status update in your pocket. Total travel tech essential, keeps you juiced up, safe, and ready for anything on the road. Number 4. Sleep Phones Wireless. Get ready for a snooze upgrade with Sleep Phones, the OG of sleep headphones. Made of cozy sheep cloud fabric, these ain't your average headgear. They're a cozy headband with wafer-thin speakers, ensuring the comfiest snooze ever. Plus, the sound? It's like a lullaby for your ears. Crystal clear, no weird echoes, just pure sleep bliss. Trust me, for travel or bedtime, these are the essential snooze buddies you need. Number 5. Zoom H1N Handy Recorder. This sleek beast is the ultimate travel companion. With its matte finish and killer protective mic setup, it's ready for any adventure. Those stereo mics in a slick 90-degree format, pure genius for capturing soundscapes on the go. And get this, easy-peasy one-touch controls and menus mean zero hassle. Plus, it's got playback speed control and voice filters. This thing's not just a recorder, it's your travel storytelling sidekick. Number 6. HP Sprocket Portable Photo Printer. Print and stick to those epic memories. It's like carrying a photo booth in your pocket. Connect, print, and stick to your socials in a snap. This baby's all about the vibes, Bluetooth magic, emojis, and texts for that personalized touch. And guess what? It's pint-sized for any adventure, making 2x3-inch stickable snaps on the go. Total travel tech essential for turning moments into rad shareable memories. Number 7. DJI Mavic Air 2. This game-changer drone blends power and portability for breathtaking aerial shots. It's a Shutterbug's dream, capturing epic 48-megapixel photos and stunning 4K 60fps video with a 3-axis gimbal. Plus, with up to 34 minutes of flight time and intelligent tracking modes like Spotlight and Active Track, you'll pull off jaw-dropping shots effortlessly. Take your content to new heights with this travel tech marvel. Alright folks, we'll keep the tech train rolling, but before that, give the like button a little tap if you're as hyped about these tech wonders as I am. Let's show those tech gadgets some love. Oh, and subscribe to Best Cool Tech because hey, our tech travel game is strong and you don't want to miss out on the next-gen gear we got coming your way. Number 8. Bose Frames. Groove incognito with these slick shades. They pack a surprise, built-in Bose speakers blasting out tunes just for you, keeping others in the dark. Rock out while staying tuned into your surroundings thanks to their open-ear design. With an integrated mic, these stylish frames also ace crystal clear calls. Plus, personalized settings via the Bose Connect app. These shades are the ultimate fusion of style and sound. Number 9. Gotenna Mesh. The genius off-grid communicator. This smart device pairs with your phone, creating a private network to text and share GPS locations up to 4 miles away. No service? No problem. Gotenna works independently. No towers or satellites are needed. It's the ultimate off-grid tool for hiking, international travel, or emergencies, keeping you connected when others are left in the digital dark. Stay smart, stay connected. Number 10. Moza Mini MX Gimbal, your ticket to pro-level stabilized footage. Its deep red anti-shake wizardry ensures buttery smooth cinematic shots, no matter your hustle. With a 280-gram payload, even larger smartphones glide effortlessly. Easy setup means instant filming. Just connect via Bluetooth and rock your modes. Seamlessly shift from portrait to landscape with a triple press. Moza Genie's creative templates, your film's next secret weapon. Lights, camera, Moza Mini MX action. Number 11. Pocket Talk Language Translator, a global communicator. With a 2-year data plan across 133 countries, break language barriers effortlessly. Accuracy? We've got your back. Slang, jargon, even cultural nuances, we handle it all. Instant, accurate translations in real time make this device a travel must-have. Speak freely in 82 languages, forging genuine connections wherever you go. Pocket Talk, the key to authentic, seamless communication worldwide. Number 12. NuQ File Hub AC750, your all-in-one travel companion, the portable wireless router. Transform wired networks into Wi-Fi on the fly or extend your Wi-Fi range with 3 different modes. With File Hub functionality, access and transfer files wirelessly across various storage devices like hard drives and SD cards. No app needed. Simple browser access for seamless operation. Plus, enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds up to 1300 megabits per second with dual-band support. Number 13. Airbolt Smart Travel Lock, the future of security. Say goodbye to keys and combinations, manage it all from your smartphone. Track, secure, and share access effortlessly with alerts for every move. Its durable build and heavy-duty encryption ensure top-notch protection for your gear. Charge it up for a year-long journey and tap into crowdsourced GPS tracking for extra peace of mind. TSA approved and ready for your next adventure. Number 14. TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. Experience innovation with longer battery life on the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra. Its dual-layer display offers up to 3 days in Smart Mode and an incredible 45 days in Enhanced Essential Mode. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 and Mobvoi dual processors, it ensures smoother performance. Track health, sports, and stress levels with enhanced accuracy. With premium design and comfort, this flagship model is a perfect blend of style and functionality. Number 15. Polar Seal Heated Tops. Introducing heated tops and jackets with inbuilt heating elements for on-the-go warmth control. Adjust warmth levels with a discrete button, perfect for diverse climates. Say goodbye to bulky layers, ideal for chilly explorations while ensuring customizable comfort. Stay sleek and snug without compromising on style, making it your go-to for adventures in colder destinations. Well, that's a wrap on our tech-tastic journey through the coolest travel gadgets. If you're sitting there thinking, wow, those gadgets are cooler than the other side of the pillow, then hit that like button. Let's make those gadgets feel famous. Subscribe and ring that bell for more tech adventures because, hey, we're just getting started. Until next time, stay plugged in and keep exploring the awesome world of tech.